Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. RAIHAN Mahmud. Alhamdulillah, I passed the Mrcp Part 2 examination in November 2024 diet. From my point of view, you need to sit for the Part 2 examination as soon as possible after passing the Part 1 because the study materials are almost the same. I took online subscription of PASTEST and solved all the topic question papers and the past papers from there. For revising topic wise, I used Dr. AHAD'S lecture. It is very helpful, especially for those who are working in hospital. You have to learn the basics of ECG, X-ray, spirometry and CT scan of the chest and head because many images come from these topics. See as much pictures as you can from Google. It will be very helpful during the exam. It is more important to put emphasis on common topics rather than spending time on uncommon topics and keeping on revising the same topic. Solve as many questions as you can, and regarding how to attempt a question, you can use the RCP sample paper discussion of Dr. Ahad. It is very helpful and it will help you in teaching how to exclude the options and finally reach a specific diagnosis or choose the best option. Managing time is the key. Revising the same topics again and again and seeing more pictures will be the difference between pass and fail in the exam. May Allah guide us all. Thank you.